I want to perform in drag because I've seen how it can bring joy to people. I plan on doing flips in heels, so that will be entertaining. But you see, it can get a lot more personal for other people to get into drag because they find a sense of family, a sense of community. So we put on 3 total drag workshops. What we focused on was nails, hips, which we did some sewing, and then heels. So we learned how to walk, strut, and flip in heels. We also saw some wig reveals there. Wigs are very important in drag. You see a lot of younger queens, especially my generation of Gen Z, not knowing how to sew. Typically the dresses that we find are made for women-shaped bodies, and so if you can make those little adjustments around the hips, around the shoulders to make that more masculine fitting, but feminine performing, that's why sewing is so important for drag. And then heels, adding that heel pokes fun at that gender norm of only women can wear heels.